Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lincoln, local and long distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our qualified movers help make your long distance move simpler. Whether you're moving a single state over or want to move across the country, we're here to assist you. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make moving a lot easier. Along with the general long distance moving solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you need to hire an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the expense may seem difficult. A local moving company supplies many benefits which can make it well worth the expense. You will certainly save time with your local relocation if you work with a moving company. Movers can also ensure you don't need to do any of the heavy lifting. Our team of qualified movers will make sure your move is extremely efficient. If you really want to streamline moving day, 3 Movers is the best choice for you. Even when your move is so big that it would take you all day to complete, we can get it done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lincoln moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.